Hey there, this is Kelly Fothergill. Today I want to show you a really quick, easy, delicious recipe for peanut butter cups. All natural goodness. Are you ready? Super easy. So you need 1 stick of, you can use unsalted or salted butter. I am choosing salted today because I kind of like a salty and a sweet. So it's up to you what you want to do. So room temp in the bowl. Done. There we go. And then we do 1/2 cup of cold pressed, unrefined, beautiful coconut oil. So it's 1/2 cup going in. And we're going to do 1 cup of peanut butter, but we're actually using almond butter today. I already mixed it up, so it should be pretty good. Beautiful. Smooth. You can get chunky too, whatever you want. This really couldn't be any easier. Really good stuff, full of good nutrition, good fats, healthy fats, and not full of colors or sugar or additives. And then 1/4 cup, or to taste, you can do a little less if you want, of pure maple syrup. There we go. Beautiful. See, isn't it pretty? Simply mix it up. Sometimes the pieces of coconut oil will solidify a little bit, so you just mush them up a little bit more. And at this point, if you wanted, you could add nuts, chopped nuts, you could add coconut, you could add chocolate chips. So these are mini muffin tins. And this recipe will make about 24 of them.
How's that stirring going?
It's really good stirring. My hand's falling off. But, so you can see some of the butter is, the spatula is like a little bit, I'm trying to get the really big chunks. I don't mind if there's little pieces. And I honestly don't even mind if there's big ones, but you don't want to have a huge chunk in there, but you get the point. You get it as smooth as you'd like. And then you simply fill them in. So, and then I'll show you what they look like when they're done, but you sit them in the freezer for like at least 30 minutes to let them harden up. And then keep them in the freezer because the coconut oil will melt. It's not the prettiest, but when they come out, they'll freeze nicely and just pop out. And I just keep them in like a little baggie or container. See, this has a huge piece. So you get the point. We're gonna fill this guy up, throw him in the freezer, and then you're good to go in 30 minutes. Enjoy! All right, so I just took these out of the freezer. And this is kind of like bending too much, so I got my little handy knife. So you might have to just pluck them out very gently. Pluck them out, and I stick them in this. I'm gonna try one, they're so good. So you can see like the little flecks of butter. I couldn't get it all the way melted in there, but I don't care. It is so good. So there you have it. Stick them all in here. And probably do a dozen per bag and throw them in the freezer and you're good. You have them as long as you want, or you can eat them in a week. All right? Peanut butter cups, a natural awesomeness. Try them out. You'll love them.